Hi guys, good morning. This video is going to tell you all about the switchover. Every single doubt that you have, you can put into the chat box. I will be answering all of those. After this video, you will have no doubts unsolved because I will be there till the very end. Okay, so now let's begin with the analysis of the conversion from your old syllabus to your new syllabus. Okay, so good to go. I need everyone in the chat box to put GTG, and any questions that you'll have, please put it in the chat box again. I will be reading it up. Okay, so let's begin. Hi students. So this video is very important for the old syllabus students who now will be converted into the new syllabus. Second, it is also important for the new syllabus students just to have one update that the dream batch we are extending for another 2-3 days. Last, when I announced the last date for the dream batch, there was so many volume of transactions and particular movement into the app that it had crashed, and because of which some students couldn't join. So on request of all the students, I have extended it for another 3 days. So by today evening, you will be able to go into the dream batch, get your discount coupons as well. Okay, so let's begin with all the conversion details as well. First, let's begin. Okay, so the very first thing is students have a lot of doubts. Now, what all doubts are there? Sir, old syllabus, will it be there in the December 2024 examination? What is the procedure to switch? Okay, whether this switching is automatic switching by ICSI or you have to manually go and enroll yourself into the new syllabus. Then what are the details about the pre-test? Do you have to give the pre-test again? Do you have to give the ODOP again? Whether you have to pay any charges for your switchover or whether you have to pay any charges for pre-test? Then what all exemptions that you will get, and a special course that we have launched for all the students to make their life easy, something that we call as the bridge course. All the details will be there in this video. So let's begin. So the very first thing is students' questions. Sir, will there be another attempt for the old syllabus in December? It had happened last 4 years back. Now whether there will be an extension, so the answer is a absolute no. Okay, so be out of the dream world. The real world says that there is no old syllabus carried forward. Sir, how can you say that? ICSI has already published your exam timetable, and the exam timetable, they have clearly said that it is starting from the 21st of December from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and they've only given the 2022, that is the new syllabus. So the old syllabus students, there is no chance of the exam being carried forward in December. Second, why should you be scared? 90% of the syllabus of the old syllabus is very much same like the new syllabus, and that 10% extra is also something which is very important in today's time because it is new as per the latest you could say as per the trends in the corporate world. So you will be learning a new syllabus. First, 90% is same. Second, the new syllabus contains IPR, intellectual property rights, in more depth, which is very good for a student as compared to old syllabus where they had only one chapter. So you will learn more. Even your labor laws, which was only one chapter, here you have for 40 marks. So your knowledge will increase in the right direction. So be excited for learning something new and don't be scared because it's not completely new. Okay. Second, don't worry. Also, I am there for the new syllabus for all of you all. Now, whether the process of switchover is your automatic or whether it is manual. So it is a manual process. It is not automatic. You cannot just say that I want to give that ICSI will come and convert me. You have to go. They have given where in the FAQ. Okay, when you go to the ICSI, this is the switchover details FAQ announced by ICSI. I have gone through this entire thing. where they've clearly said that the students will have to convert themselves into the new syllabus. So how do you do that? You go into your Smash portal, ICSI smash.edu, go on that. After you log in into your Smash with your Smash credentials, you go to module, and in module there is a switchover and apply for switchover. So ICSI has also given the entire depth of the manual switching over from old to new syllabus. Okay, so there is no automatic conversions at all. How will ICSI know that you want to give the exam or no? So you need to do it. They have clearly said it. You log in into ICSI, your Smash credentials, okay, and then you go into the module, and the last option you will see is apply for switchover. So you have to apply for switchover. There is no switchover fees, okay, switchover fees. So that means this is a free of cost facility that you will be converted into the new syllabus. Once you do that, you will apply for switchover. This will be given. Then you have to choose your course, CS Executive. You're switching into the new syllabus, and request for switchover. You have to click here, okay, and then all your details will come, and that is it. It will say that yes, your this has been completed. Okay, you have successfully switched into the new syllabus. This will come as from your 2022 syllabus. Clear? So once you see that in your particular system, then you're sorted. You know that you switched over. Now also remember, ICSI can automatically also do it later on. But why do you want to wait? And the ICSI has not put out any notification. That just implies that it is a manual process. In future they might do it, but why would you wait till then? And there is no confirmation for that. So as of now, as a professional, you have to go and get yourself switched into the new syllabus. It's free of cost. Second, okay, now what is the next thing, next doubt? Sir, the pre-test I have already given. For example, a student is saying that they've already given the pre-test in the old syllabus. Now, logically, you have given a pre-test of the old syllabus. So how can that be carried forward for the new syllabus? So then you have to give your pre-test again. Okay, and also this time pre-test is not free. Once you have switched over, a pre-examination fee of ₹1000 is to be paid after you have switched. So once I have switched into the new syllabus, then I have to give a pre-test. Sir, how do I give the pre-test? I have already taken a lecture on YouTube in depth. Just put how to give pre-test Jahangir, you will get my video. But in short, I will tell you, your TCS ION app is there, or e-learning portal is there. You go there. In that, when you log in, you will see your pre-test. When you go to click after switching into the new syllabus, it will ask you to pay ₹1000. Clear? That is mandatory. Now, sir, ODOP. I have already given my ODOP. Do I have to give again? Let's say it's a one-day orientation program. If you have given this one-day orientation program in the old syllabus, then you don't have to give, okay? Not required. You don't have to give your ODOP again, okay? If done once, it is not required to be given again. So this is a good news for the students. You don't have to give your ODOP again. Next. Now, sir, I have cleared. Now, this is very, very technical. I want you to pay attention. And I have also told the students how I will be helping you all. Now, let's say if a student, now this is specifically for old syllabus students. Let's say if a student has cleared old syllabus, okay, they have cleared group 1 in old syllabus. So in group 1, you had GIGL, you have setting up a business entities, okay, you had tax. Now all those subjects, corresponding subjects have been cleared. Okay, so if I have cleared GIGL, then it will be deemed that I have cleared. So in short, I have summarized it that if you have cleared group 1, you have to give only these 3 papers in the new syllabus. Now pay attention to something. I'm going to give you some tip which you wouldn't even have thought about. Okay, pay attention. So you will have, so a student who has cleared the old syllabus, group 1, they have to give capital market securities law. Okay. You have to give your EC IPL subject, and you have to give your corporate accounting and financial management. Now, obviously, this is the corresponding subjects which you are not cleared, so you will do it here. Now, if you see one thing, this is coming in group 2 of new syllabus, this is coming in group 2 of new syllabus, and this is coming in group 1 of new syllabus. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Here, when you're giving these two, you can get an average of 50 and clear, but this you have to get independently 50. Okay, so a student has to clear this also. That means that if I'm giving group 2, obviously the average will be counted if I'm giving the full group. But if I'm left with only one paper of corporate accounting and financial management in group, in group 1 of new syllabus, then I have to get independent 50 marks. If I'm clubbing it with everything, then the average will be counted. If I'm having to give group 1 all the subjects, let's say if a student has not cleared only any group, not group 1 nor group 2, then obviously the same average of 40, average of 50 and individual 40 marks will apply. So logic is very simple, that if a student has to give these papers only, then obviously here the average of 50 will be counted because there are two papers. So you need to get 100 marks and it will be cleared. But for this you need to get, since there is no other subject that you have to club with in group 1, you will have to get 50 independently. Next, one important point is that since this is in group 2 and this is in group 1, you have to fill the exam form for both the groups. Very, very important. Students don't know this, that if I am giving in this pattern, obviously somewhere I am in group 1, some papers I am in group 2. So when you go to fill the group exam form, you are filling of exam form of group 2. So only these two papers will be pulled. So that is why you have to fill exam form of both the groups. Okay. Now let's take an example of someone who's cleared group 2 of old syllabus. If you've cleared group 2 of old syllabus, then of the new syllabus you have to give these following papers. Which are those? GIGL, company law, setting up, and tax laws. Now again, if you see, there is, all the papers are of group 1 of new syllabus, but this is of group 2. So when I have to give like this, then this average 50 marks is fine. But here, since this is the only paper left, then you have to get 50 independent marks. So in the top 3 papers, when I'm giving group 1, 150 marks is fine. In paper 4, if that is the only subject, then obviously you have to get 50 in it. Clear? If a student has not cleared any paper, then obviously the same average marks will be counted, just like it would have been normal case, 40 minimum in each subject and aggregate 50. Now here also one leg is in group 1, one leg is in group 2. So here again exam form has to be filled for both the groups. This is at the time of examination. Okay. Now, sir, how if one student wants to enroll? Okay. How will they get? In our thing, we don't keep single subjects. Single subject, anywhere you go, it will, any top class you choose, you will have to pay 5,000. Rather, what we have done, we have minimized the entire group cost for you. So a student's probability of clearing is very high. Why? Because they are getting access to all the subjects. So you're not leaving anything on self-study. Any difficult paper comes, still you will be able to handle it because you have studied properly. So here I have launched something for all the students to make their life easy. Okay, this is something called as the bridge course. It bridges the gap. Okay, so this you can say is me. Okay, this is me. I have thought over how I can help the students of the old syllabus to come into the new syllabus smoothly. So I have created a course. Now pay attention. This will be bridge course 1. Okay, so in my app today I will launch it. In the app I will launch it specifically for the old syllabus students who have cleared their module 1 in old syllabus. So now they are rolled over into the new syllabus. They will be rolled over into the new syllabus. So for these students, they have to give these 3 subjects. I have created a combo specifically for this. So I have created a specific bridge course combo. And again, I understand that these students who must be there, who are getting rolled over, they must have already invested so much time, they must have already invested in classes, okay, etc. So this course, the bridge course for those who have cleared module 1, I will price it very reasonable, okay, extremely reasonable, that even a student from any income group will be able to study properly. And these are top quality lectures. You will get access to the soft copy notes, unlimited views, everything top quality until the validity period. All your lectures will be up to date. There will be few live sessions also. We are planning on mentorship for all of you all as well, okay. So this will also be done. Second, bridge course for those who have cleared the module 2 also I have made, okay. Similarly, for module 2 also I have made a bridge course, so the balance subjects will be there and it will be very reasonably priced. Now again, as I had said that a few days back I had taken that the dream batch will expire on that day. However, on students demand, some students couldn't enroll. They had the system had crashed because of those so many transactions in one go. So that time, what we have done is we have extended it till 15th June. Okay, so dream batch is extended till 15 June. What you need to do, by today evening, I think I will rotate the dream batch again. If students who have, or you can go and log in there again, you will see that there is a gift 1 and gift 2. Those are discount coupons for all of y'all. We never ever give discounts. There are only price rises in our classes, okay, because we always keep it at a very reasonable price, okay, that every single student from any income group will be able to happily study with top quality education, okay. So the dream batch is extended till 15 June, so you can go and enroll. By evening I will make it live again. Some students had difficulty and that is why I have done this, okay. And again, if a student has already purchased from us, okay, let's say they are already old syllabus JT students, or you have taken any student who is studied from us before, okay, and they want to enroll into the new syllabus, so please go ahead and call on this number as well, okay. Any assistance you need, we will work out something for you specially. Now this is for JT students who are already enrolled in the full course before in the old syllabus and they are getting rolled over into the new syllabus, so obviously they would get some benefit. We are always there for the student. So we will work out, first we will just verify the details and then we will work out something specially for our JT students of the full syllabus, okay. And students who are there who have any other difficulty that you are facing, please take a screenshot, okay, or save this number, contact on this number. The lectures will be in English. We ensure that it is easily understood by pan India students, and also the for students from South India. We are always there. You've seen that who was there from years together, okay. I used to take lectures in English, but I stopped that, especially because I realized that you all didn't have any resource. So I was there for the revision lectures. I'd given free test series also earlier. Now it is time for you all to enroll with your friends as well, okay. I will see you live in the live lectures also. Some mentorships also we are planning. So it's going to be a very good experience for all of you all. So remember, fees is secondary. You see who is teaching you, what are the quality, what are the teaching style of the faculties, what is the background of the faculties, who are they. Fatima ma'am is a all India rank holder, okay. I have been teaching in the institute ICSI, in the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, okay. So and obviously you've seen my lectures too, so I'm super excited to seeing you all in the lectures. All the lectures are at the least price possible, okay, of the entire year. I can only assure you that price rises will only come in future. So go ahead and enroll yourself, okay. Thank you guys. I will see you in the lectures. Okay. Now again, I will take in your doubts as well. Right now, I will go through the chat box, and I think I have cleared most of your doubts. But still, if you all have any difficulty, if you all have anything, I've been reading in your comments, and I will, answer it accordingly. Okay, so I'm reading. I think I've answered all above. Which Anita? Okay, yes. So don't worry. I have given you the contact number. You please tell them you are our students. We keep our students at utmost priority. You connect with them. I will specifically mention about you as well. Okay, great. Mr. Reddy, hi. How are you? Sindhu, nice to have you. Tirtha, great. Okay. Mr. PV Gupta, your question is okay. Mr. PV Gupta, the switchover is a different issue. Renewal of student membership posting problem is there. Okay. Yes, Mr. PV Gupta, you had asked for de novo registration. Also, after this lecture, you can personally message me or our team. I will hand over the entire details of how the de novo registration is to be done. Next is Tirtha. Sir, should we do the switch over now or should we wait for the results to come? Now again, why will you wait for the results to come? Pay attention. Okay, this is a very common doubt of all the students. Results will come after 2.5 months. Till then you won't study. You can easily finish your full syllabus, and after results you can start the revision also. Okay, and there is no old syllabus in the December attempt. So better to manually do it. Okay, manually do the switchover process and be mentally sure that yes, I am giving the new syllabus. Okay. Sir, when will the classes start? Now, Sindhu, remember that all the classes in the app are completely updated. It is live of June attempt students only lectures we have taken. It has all the amendments. Soon when the live lectures will also start, you will be updated in the group. This is for any kind of mentorship, any kind of doubts that you all have. I'm planning a lot more for that. So those you will come to know once a student will enroll, they'll get enrolled in a paid group, and accordingly any update we have to give, we will tell them, including live lectures. Okay, when we are taking. Okay, yes. Now very important question someone has asked, that they have cleared. Now see, this is a direct question from your this thing. Okay, they are telling you which all exemptions are available. Now pay attention. If you've given your jurisprudence, you've cleared, jurisprudence is cleared here also. If you've given company law is cleared. If you've cleared your setting up, so setting up is cleared. Now if you cleared your tax law, then tax law is exempted here. Now pay attention to this. This is very important. Students' common doubt comes. Now let's say if a student has cleared set corporate and management accounting, so your CAFM is considered to be passed. But sir, if I have cleared financial management, so again CAFM is cleared. So if a student has either cleared corporate accounting or corporate management in the old syllabus, in the new syllabus, corporate accounting and financial management is particularly not required to be given. Okay, let's say if a student has got an exemption, then there is a separate tab. You can go into the ICSI portal and see the exemption details, and you can apply to ICSI in the ICSI complaint portal that listen, this exemption I want to carry forward. So that is a manual process. First you go and see whether the exemption is visible in your e-learning. After that you see that whether it is showing here. Otherwise you have to go to ICSI complaint on Google. You type and you inform them, they will send you a mail. That will be done. So either students clear this or this, one subject of CAFM is cleared. Rest all is very simple. Securities law you cleared. Here also securities law is cleared. ECIPL, so here also ECIPL. It is only of corporate accounting and financial management where the question arises. Okay, great. So now let me see what are your next questions. Okay, now again, sir, should we take the new study materials? Okay, very important point. I forgot to mention that once you enroll, now imagine switchover is a completely free process. It is free to getting switched over. So your books, you have to order it online. You have to go to ICSI e-carts and order. So you go to Google and you put e-cart, okay, and you have to order the books online. ICSI e-cart, and the physical books will be delivered at your doorstep. So free books are not going to, ICSI is not going to deliver any books to all of you all. You have to purchase the book. So e-cart, you have to purchase new study material. So you go and purchase the new study material. Clear? So good question, and I'm glad it has popped up. It has cleared the doubts of many students. Next, okay, sir, should we take the new syllabus materials again, or we should continue with the old syllabus study materials? Please, what is gone is gone. You have to purchase the new study material. Okay, if now see why it doesn't cost you much. Investment in your books is the best investment. You don't order a burger, you don't go out for one day. Don't even think of stopping yourself from gaining knowledge. That will be lifetime with you. Okay, so whether it be enrolling in lectures, you see the quality of the faculties, you see the quality of the lectures. In the dream batch, you will come to know everything. You get the lectures, how we are teaching, all the chapters are there. So definitely that style, if you're comfortable, you should blindly go for it, no matter what the price is. However, we still keep it at the industry lowest prices, so that the main intention was that every single income group should be able to study from us. Okay. Now, yeah, sir, I think Meghna is asking, sir, I think it's better to take a coaching after the result. Is it possible to take your coaching after the result? Now, listen, one more thing. It is completely up to you when you want to take, but I wouldn't suggest any student to sit idle from here till your this. Now, you will notice one thing, that there was a trend of studying all this while till your examination. Now, if you will take a break of a long time, again you will take lot of time to get back into the study routine. Mark my words, don't let this flow go again. Like, let's say a student wasted time by starting off late. This same mistake should not be done repeated again for the December attempt. December attempt has to be started from the first day itself. Maybe 3 days, 4 days off you take, 5 days off you take. That is why I had not taken lectures, immediately after the exam. I was posting memes. Why? I wanted students to get a lighter mode, go and enjoy with their family. And now it is time to do the steps. You must have taken the break. Don't lose the flow of studies. Okay, so you take a call when you want to go. Only thing is, the pricing of the lectures are same. Then why wait for 2.5 months? You have to purchase the lectures, whatever it be. So if you pay for the lectures now, the pricing is same. After 2 months, after results also, it is the same. Only thing, you will not be able to study for all this while. Okay, it's unlimited views. So why you're worrying? And 1 year validity. Sir, if I get an exemption from any of the subjects in old syllabus, then the same subjects, yes, it will be covered. Mohan Raj has asked a very important question, that exemption in one, whether it be carried forward in the new syllabus. Answer is yes. You have to go into your student portal, ICSI Smash login. There you will see which all exemptions you have. You should see after switching over, you see that this gets switched over into the new. Otherwise, write a mail to ICSI to display it into your thing, or give a email confirmation. That is it. Okay. Rutu, most welcome. Okay, Karthik, sir, I have a doubt. Yesterday I tried to switch over, but it says that you've already enrolled in an exam, so you can't switch. Is there any time to switch over, or yes? Now again, Karthik has asked a very important question, that whether there is a timeline to switch over. So no, there is no timeline for switch over. Anytime you can switch. This error that you're getting, that I tried to switch over, but it says that you already have enrolled in an exam. This you need to go to ICSI complaint portal. Okay. There, once you put a complaint, you will get a SRN number. Okay, a service request number or a complaint number. You save that. save that number, and after 24 hours, you call on helpline on the ICSI complaint. There is a helpline number, call on that and give them the complaint number. Your problem will be resolved. This is the only ICSI number, I should say, which is very, very active and available for the students. So don't miss that. Clear? So this can be resolved from ICSI end, okay, whether they have, pulled you into the new syllabus or something else, okay. Next, when I am going to purchase let's see, Franco is also asking a question. Fernando, sir, I purchased module 2, the validity is till Jan 2020. Will you give the new module lectures? Now again, very important. See, when, let's say, if a student is there, they have purchased the old syllabus course, and when you see the new syllabus course, so obviously these are two different courses. However, you can write into, I have given the number also for the new syllabus. You write here on this number, okay, this is our helpline number for all our students who are in the old syllabus, who have purchased in the old syllabus. Obviously they'll have to purchase, they won't have to pay the full fees again for the new syllabus course. So we are working out for all the students also. You all can message on this number. We will work out specifically something for you. We'll see what all validity is left. We'll see the discount amount. Everything will be determined because each one is an individual case. Okay, so you will have to connect on our helpline number. Don't worry. Every single student will go back with a smiling face. Okay. Next is what is the time period for the discount? Now again, pay attention to this. Okay, many students don't know that in the dream batch, I have given a discount coupon. You have to go enroll. There are 700-800 students in the dream batch. Okay, they will get in the dream batch, you will see gift 1 and you will see gift 2. These are nothing but discount coupons. Now we never give it. This is the first ever time we've said let's give it to the students. A discount coupon has been given. Now you need to enroll into the dream batch. Okay, 800 students already have enrolled. If you are unable to enroll or some difficulty that you're facing, because yesterday, day before, when I had put the lecture, many students came back that the site was not opening, this, that. So please message or call on this number. They will specifically work out something for you. Clear? So once the discount coupon is there, the discount coupon is valid. Once you get the discount coupon from the dream batch, then that discount coupon is valid till your 15th July 2024. Sir, why like that? Now obviously discount coupon is there. We also want to start off with few mentorship sessions, few live sessions. So we want to complete the enrollments. Okay, and the faster you enroll, the faster you will be able to study. There is no question of price reduction. There is only price rises that will happen in future. So why would you want to wait? Let's say if we plan to increase the fees or someone increases the fees later on, you will have to pay a higher fees, because that is a very, very likelihood, high likelihood. Okay, because that we are contemplating on that as well. Okay. Sir, if we don't buy the discount won't be available, sir. So again, now in the discount coupon has the code, right? It has a specific coupon code, which I can't tell on YouTube to all the students. It is specifically for dream batch students who are there. They have studied from us. They have shown the trust in us. We want to revert back to all the students and listen, we don't want you to discontinue or halt your studies. Continue studying. Take it and continue studying. You will see the prices are the least in the entire industry market, with the highest quality lectures, with the highest deliverables also. We are always available. I'm always there. See the level of marathons, the number of hours that we invest. Okay. So can you tell me, I'm going to purchase the new syllabus. Okay. So when you're going to purchase the new syllabus books, please purchase it as soon as possible. Okay. So purchase the new modules ASAP, or if you want to wait, you want to wait a little till you have enrolled for the lectures. So enroll for the lectures, then get the new modules. Okay, so that is also there. Now, is it necessary for getting the new modules? Answer is, listen, in our classes, we are giving you the notes. We are giving you the soft copy notes. So you can study from that. It covers everything. And in the module, if you want, you can keep it open in your laptop and see which all extra things you want to do. Any specific pages you want to print, and you can print that also. So this is an option to you. Okay, you may or may not get the new study material. Up to you. If you can study from our lectures are made from the module only. You will see that all our lectures are covering the full module, because that is what is important. Second, you can always download the soft copy of the modules. You know that. So you will see that if anything extra you want to read, you can just take a marking, take a print, okay, of those specific pages. That is also fine in case you don't want to spend. Okay. So Mohan Raj, I hope I have answered your query as well. Yeah. Any other doubts, any other things that you'll have, please mention on this number. Okay. Especially for our students who are there, we are always there with our students. Just message your, whatever be the case, we will work out for you something. Okay. And all the other students also, you see the lectures that we've taken, see the presentation that is there as compared to anyone else. It is a open challenge. Go in the dream batch, see the chapter, see what is there available for others. You will see the language, the command, the presentation, the time. There is not a single minute wasted in the entire video. Once we start, we complete it. So you know that once I start the lecture, in 1.5 hours, the entire chapter gets over. So you work on that, and I will see you in the lectures. Any other doubts, questions, anything, or we can wrap up for the day. Okay. Akshaya, yes. Akshaya, you specifically message me again. I will guide you, okay, how to do it. You've always worked so hard, and it's always very impressive for the effort and the dedication that you've put. Okay, so yes, don't worry. You can ping me. You've already done, or on the number which is there. We'll work out something for you. Now, Tapaswini, is there a price difference for only recorded and live? Answer is absolutely no. We have kept the prices same. See, your student is there. Now pay attention to this. There is no difference that recorded, live. You get both. You get live plus recorded, because that is how it should be. It should be a hybrid mode, right? For a student, how can I say that you get only recorded or only this? See, pay attention to this. Okay. Now what happens is, all the recorded lectures are up to date. Okay, you can study and finish your full syllabus today. Plus, there will also be few live lectures. We are planning on few live lectures. Let's say if there is an amendment, or there is a chapter which is very difficult, or if a chapter I want to specifically take, okay, or if I want to create a doubt solving session, so I will do that. Or if Fatima ma'am wants to take some mentorship sessions for all of you all, or if Fatima ma'am has planned some kind of we try a lot more to keep it engaging also for the students, rather than just being and recorded is also beautifully recorded. We take 10 days to prepare one chapter notes. Okay, minimum 10 days. If you see and try to make these kind of PPTs which is there, you will realize that how much time is invested to make these 5-minute videos. Okay, so we put in the effort for all of you all. You will get that. Plus, obviously in the live session we will be doing mentorships and some lectures. So you will also be speaking to me. Any kinds of this, you can text me. I will be there. I will take up some of the sessions in the live sessions as well. Okay, and obviously closer to exams, we have a full course revision, which is also there on YouTube. If you see on marathons and all of that we put, everything for a student who is already enrolled will be very easy to go through all of this. Okay, now I'm so happy, Meghna, that I could clear all your doubts. Sai sir, if I had cleared my CMA in the old syllabus but I failed in FSM, yes, you will still get exemption in CAFM. Good. I had explained this, Miraf, to you. Also, I have told that you do one, go into your ICSI e-learning portal. You will see the exemptions, and then you will come to know that this exemption is available. Just write to ICSI that this should be carried forward into this particular exam. Okay. Now the next thing is, Mohan Raj has asked a question. Any one of you all, I'm reading a chat box. It is for you all. Any question you have, no matter how big, small, any titsy bitchy doubt also you have, put it into the chat box. Okay. Now Mohan Raj is asking that some people told me old syllabus compared to new syllabus is more different and difficult. Is it true? Answer is, you who are telling you, students. I teach this subject for 12 years. Okay, from 12 years I'm teaching your CS course. Okay, now this is executive and professional both. That is why you see in marathons I can cover the full syllabus of multiple subjects. You will have multiple faculties in other places, maybe like that. I know all of these subjects in and out. I've made the notes for each one. So I know all of this, and I can tell you that the syllabus for the old syllabus and the new syllabus is same. The difficulty level is also same. I should say it is not at all difficult. You see, moment the paper, go and see the review, the paper review that I have done. It is there on YouTube. Moment the paper used to get over, on the same day I used to post the paper review. And you will see how easily in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the full paper is being solved. And you will see that the paper is not difficult at all. It has come all from the lectures, from the module. Not a single question has come outside the module or outside the course that we are giving to the students. Okay, so easily a student can get exemption after watching our videos and going through our notes. Okay, so the syllabus is very, very simple. Don't get carried away with anyone and don't get scared. It is a beautiful syllabus of the new course is beautiful. It is as per today's time. There is FEMA, there is so many things which is very, very good. So I'm happy with the new syllabus course curriculum, and you will be learning something really valuable. When I say intellectual property rights, people are having careers in intellectual property rights. So that has been added for you. So your scope has expanded technically. Sir, is there any way to extend the old syllabus by ICSI? Now remember, old is old. You have to think of the new. And one very important thing I want to tell to all the students, that in life it is not about who is smart. It is not about who has more knowledge. It is about those who can adapt themselves to the changing environment. Life keeps changing. Situations keep changing. You have to keep yourself flexible enough to adapt to your surroundings, environments, everything. So anything, remember this, anything that comes, you should say, yes, it is very good. I'm ready. I'm okay for it. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be much better. Old syllabus I've already studied and thrown it away. I want to know what's there in the new. Let's study the new thing. What's new in trend? What's new? All those things is very beautiful. Keep a positive mindset. Keep a mindset of a successful mindset, a legendary mindset, a mindset of being happy all the time. Things keep changing, things keep coming, but they should not affect your smile. Okay, moving forward, is there any separate law for tax law alone? Thanks for the clarification. See, Mira, remember one thing, that one tax course that you go, it would have been for 5,000, but what about the other subjects? Now students used to get pass in that subject, but they used to fail in the group aggregate. Now what we have done, we've reduced the prices to very low. Your group 2 of new syllabus is 12,000 rupees. Okay, now 12,000 you're getting for 3 subjects. Okay, which unlimited views, 1 year, top quality lectures, all the subjects, chapters, topics decoded for you. And obviously now it is going in the discount coupon also. You can apply for it. So in approximately 11,000 you will get those lectures as well. Okay. Now, sir, if I prepare from now, can I clear the new syllabus both groups? Answer is absolutely yes. A group can easily be covered in 1.5 months. I'm saying with revision. Okay, chapter I'll explain also how you can complete, and you have to be there with me. I will be starting with the revision lectures. In my course also I will be taking in lectures. So I want you all to be there. Now remember that group, one group will generally have a few chapters which can easily be done in 1.5 months. Now even your second group also you can do it now in 1.5 months easily. So in 3 months time is more than enough to clear your exam, and you will have all the remaining time for uh, now this is a sufficient time. After this you can do only revision. Okay, so it's very much easily possible. Okay, let's see any other doubts you all have. Sir, if I switch over to the new syllabus, then will ICSI provide me the books free of cost? Mohan Raj, I've already answered no. You have to order it separately and you have to pay for those books hard copy, because switching over is also free of cost. Okay, thank you so much, Akshaya. Okay, so guys, I will wrap up. I think I've answered most of your questions, and I hope it is completely clear about the switching over, and you're looking forward to the switchover process. Okay, if you've not enrolled for the dream batch, or if you've enrolled, go and get the gift, the discount coupons, use it before the time lapses, and also do not again waste time to enroll late. Why would you enroll late when the fees is the same and the validity is 1 year? So better start studying. Even you can enroll today also, start after 1 week. Validity is there, unlimited views are there, then why worry? Okay, the bridge course I have launched specifically to make your life easy. Okay, yes, so the bridge course is also available to all of you all, and in case if you have enrolled at another place, or you are a student, okay, anything, so then you please speak to on this number. They will work out something specifically for you. Okay, and the quality I can assure of the lectures is going to be the best. Okay, thank you so much guys. Do share it with your friend who are having any doubts with respect to old syllabus as well, and give a thumbs up for the video as well. I've removed and went through all your doubts just so that everything can be cleared. Thank you guys. I will see you all in the lectures. Don't fail to enroll as soon as possible. Start your studies. Do not break the flow of studies. You are studying so hard. If you just start studying at the same pace from today, you are 110% going to clear with flying marks. Don't make the same mistake that you did last time of waiting and starting very late. Okay, I'm there with you. Now, Sashi has also asked a question. Sir, I have appeared for CS Executive old syllabus in the June. I am confident of clearing this. Should I switch over or to the new syllabus now itself, or directly wait for results? Now see, I understood you feel that you will clear, but it's better to just switch over and keep. Otherwise, see, as it is, if you switch over today or you switch over after result, let's say if I am a student who has given both the groups, or I cleared one group before and I'm planning to clear this group that I'm giving also, and I'm sure I'll go into the next level. Now pay attention, either of the ways, whether I switch into executive new syllabus or I'm into the old syllabus, the new CS professional new syllabus will only apply to you. So if you're not planning to study during this 2.5 months because you're so sure that you're going to clear, then it is fine. Then you don't need to switch at all. Okay. So this is up to you. So Sashi, if you are sure that you are going to clear and you're not going to study for 2.5 months, okay, you're planning to do some internship or college, etc., then you can do it. Okay. So any other question, Sindhu? I think my audio is perfectly fine. There must be an difficulty in audio from your end, right? Is everyone, can everyone hear me? Please put in the chat box if I am audible and audible to all of you all. So am I audible? Yes or no? Into the chat box. Sindhu is saying that I am not audible, no sound. So is there an error from my end or at end of Sindhu? Okay, so I am audible. Nice. So any other doubts, I am always available. And for the students, you don't have to worry. I'm always there. Okay. Okay. Maniquel, great. Okay. So that is it. I will take a wrap for today, and I will leave you to enjoy the balance part of your day as well. Okay. Divya, Ananta, nice hearing from all of you all.